Now open already. Naveen, you're back. Wow, today early, huh? Wow, so early you. Usually you late. Because NMATS you scared, right? That's why you come early already, I think. Mathematics, you guys all not scared. But NMATS all scared already. Okay, come. So today we will talk on linear. Oh, no tuition, so I masuk awal. Okay, understand. Okay, so we will discuss on linear programming, guys. Pengatur cawan linear. Okay, so basically, this topic is like your modern maths. Okay, sama macam mathematics modern. Okay, you must understand this lah. It's something similar to your modern maths. Macam serupa. Okay, so all the concept that you learn in modern maths, you will apply here. But just we see what is the difference lah in maths. Okay, kita lihat beza dia. Alright. Okay, so first step that you guys going to use in the linear programming is actually you must know how to identify your x and y. Okay, kamu kena tahu cara kenal pasti pemboleh ubah x dan y. Okay, so means that you must know how to make assumptions lah in the exam. Kamu kena tahu cara buat anggapan. Okay, so what do I mean by anggapan, guys? In linear programming, mereka akan bagi beberapa ayat kan. They'll give you many sentence and then they ask you to write the inequality. Kamu kena tulis ketaksaman. So that inequality that you write, right, will have x and y kan. Dia ada nilai x, nilai y. So how do you actually decide x represent what, y represent what? Macam mana kamu tentukan x tu mewakili apa dan y tu mewakili apa? It depends on the question itself, right? Kamu kena lihat soalan. Dan kamu kena buat anggapan kadang-kadang. Okay, usually you'll say like let x equal to the number of male, y equal to the number of female. Then you form the inequality. Am I right? Kamu bentuk ketaksaman dari anggapan. Macam x tu bilangan lelaki, y tu bilangan perempuan. Faham tak, guys? You all understand the concept? So the most important thing is your assumption, anggapan. So macam mana buat anggapan is based on your x and y value. Okay, kamu kena guna huruf x dan y. Alright? Okay, so now, second thing that you all will know is objective function. Okay, so can anyone tell me, what do you understand by objective function first? You guys don't see first here. Apa kamu faham tentang fungsi objektif? You all explain to me what you understand by objective function. The name only look very complex, guys. Nama saja complex, but what do you actually understand by the meaning of objective function? Apa maksud dia? Anyone know? Siapa tahu? Objective function. Kekangan. Let me think. Bukan? No. Anyone else want to try? What do you understand by objective function? Okay, boleh. You can say ketaksaman, but more accurate, lebih tepat. What will be the answer, guys? What do you all think? Apa jawapan dia? Usually we use objective function to find what, guys? May I know? Kamu semua guna fungsi objektif untuk cari apa? Okay, selain ketaksaman, other than inequality. Usually in the maths question, right? Linear programming. Yes, K kan? Yes. Your objective function is start with letter K, right? Always. Yes, correct. The answer is maximum or minimum, guys. Masih ingat tak? You must find the maximum cost, maximum profit. Selalu maximum atau minimum lah. Okay, kamu kena cari maximum atau minimum sesuatu perkara. So this is the function of your objective function. Okay, do you understand? Ini fungsi dia. Okay, fungsi objektif. Faham? All of you get it? So usually this type of question you will see in the last part in your linear programming question. Bahagian terakhir pengatur cawan linear kamu akan nampak soalan cari cost maximum, cari apa-apa maximum lah atau minimum. Okay? Alright. So you guys can see over here. Okay, then the next step is you guys must see your limitation. It's okay, no worries. Okay. Kenal pasti kekangan. Okay? So basically your limitation is in the form of inequality. Okay, dalam bentuk ketaksaman. So whenever you talk about inequality, you will see these symbols, guys. Kamu akan nampak semua simbol ni. Okay? Can you all get it? So you guys must just construct the inequality. Kamu kena bina dia saja. Alright? Are you all okay? Okay, so you guys can see over here, guys. Okay, this is the example. So let's say you have a horizontal line. Kamu ada garis melintang macam ni. So guys, whenever you have horizontal line, the inequality is like this, right? Ini ketaksaman dia. Okay, because you are shading downwards. Kamu lorek ke bawah. So that's why y is less than 4. Lebih kurang dari 4. So this is the example. Okay, and then remember guys, if you don't see equal sign, kalau kamu tak nampak simbol sama dengan, it must always be a dotted line. Okay, kena putus-putus. Yes, but this is Maths guys. Form 5 chapter 7. Tapi sama concept. Same concept as Maths. But certain question, the way they ask is different. Sedikit saja soalan dia tanya tu berbeza berbanding modern Maths. Okay? Understand guys? That's why I also teach this chapter lah. Okay, since it's easy to score 10 mark in your paper 2 section C. Alright? Okay. So this is another example of inequality. Satu lagi contoh ketaksaman. Okay, so you can see x greater than or equal to 2. X lebih besar atau sama dengan 2. So you can see that you shade to the right. Kamu lorek ke kanan. Can you see guys? Boleh nampak tak? You already shading to the right. Wait. Okay guys. I see the number reach 100, right? You guys, wait. Let me see for a while. Wait guys. Let me just open the second link just in case. For those in the first link, boleh maintain Jangan keluar. Kalau kamu keluar nanti tak dapat tempat. You guys don't get. Let me just see second link ada juga, wait. Okay, wait guys. Just in case people want to join here. Okay. All right. So we come back. Wait guys. Okay, so I think still can. Masih boleh. Okay, for those in the second link, untuk orang dalam link kedua, TAS, you guys can wait first. Tunggu sekejap. Okay. Today is my birthday. Oh, nowhere now. I'm watching you. What is the meaning, guys? I don't understand. So random. Semua takut at maths. Yes. Semua memang takut at maths, guys. Okay. Yes, happy birthday to you. Okay, so we continue guys. Kita lihat lagi. Okay, so guys, you can see over here, when the symbol is greater than or equal to, less than, equal to, you will use solid line, garis padu. Okay, and then when you don't see equal sign, tak nampak simbol sama dengan, you will use dotted line. Okay, kamu akan guna garis putus-putus. Alright? Okay, so that is the concept, guys. You must understand. Okay? Alright. So next, kita lihat lagi. Okay, so you can see the example here, guys. They're asking you to write a mathematical model. Oh, I think I can get deja vu when I see this lah, guys. Model mathematic. Nasib baik tak keluar. Mathematic exam tak keluar yang ni. Okay, mathematical modeling. But it's the same concept in maths. Don't worry. Okay. So yeah, oh my days. Correct. Okay, so what you need to do is you must just try to form an inequality. Okay, kamu kena bentuk saja ketaksaman. Okay, so you can see this question, they're talking about perimeter of a picture frame. Okay, where the perimeter is not more than, tidak lebih daripada 180 centimeters. Okay, that is the concept over here. All right. Kinematics, no, because kinematics is a bit confusing for some people lah. So I don't want to teach that one. Okay, since it's like very, some questions are a bit confusing lah, how to interpret. That's why I don't want. And it's also a risk because you guys may not score 10 mark. Do you understand, guys? Kamu tak boleh score 10 mark kalau kamu interpret soalan tu salah, kinematic. So that's why play safe lah, guys. Choose the question with the less risk. Do you understand? That's how you can maximize your mark for maths. Why do a hard question when you have an easy question? Kenapa buat susah soalan kalau ada soalan senang? You guys think like that lah. So this chapter memang senang. Okay? Alright. So now, okay, so how are you going to form the inequality, guys, for A? May I know? Macam mana kamu bentuk ketaksaman bagi A? You guys think and see. You got a rectangle and then the perimeter is not more than 180. Tidak lebih daripada 180. So how do you guys actually form it? Can you all type the full answer? Boleh bagi jawapan penuh? Okay, 2x plus 2y. I cannot see a symbol. Kartik. Okay, less than or equal to 180. Okay, correct. Betul. Okay. Wait, guys. Let me show the screen over here. I feel wait. Okay. Guys, I share screen using the second one lah because got people also join the second link. Can guys? I share using the laptop so that everyone can see easier. Okay, I stop share here and then share over here. Better. Easier also. Wait, guys. Give me some time. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Can
guys,
you all see?
can you all see my screen? Boleh lihat? Can guys? Boleh. Okay, good. Okay, so we were. Okay. So we were discussing on this question. Okay. Is my voice clear, guys? Or got echo? Wait. Hold on, guys. Okay. Okay, now okay, right? Kang boleh dengar? All okay, Boleh dengar? Clear? Still got. Wait, let me see any. But I think all okay, Dila. Okay. Okay, so we see, guys. Okay, so for this question, so Alan ni. So if you see over here, right, guys, they are talking about the mathematical model, right? Kamu kena tulis. Double lah. Wait. Because of my phone. Wait guys. Give me some time bagi sekejap masa. Now? Still double lah. Can you all comment? Still double. Wow. But how come got double? Usually don't have. But is it very clear? Jelas sangat ke? Oh. In that case, second link ni saya kena off lah. Okay. For those dalam link kedua ni tak boleh lah. Kalau sebab saya pun boleh dengar. I can hear. Alright. So second link ni boleh tengok recording lah. Okay, lebih senang. Alright, saya off yang ni ya. Okay. Alright, so we just focus on one link. Okay. I think I know what.
Okay. Now okay, right guys? Sekarang boleh? Is it better now? Okay now, right? Okay lah, maintain one link easier. Okay, so come back here. Better use the tablet. It's much better. Okay, so we see Ong. Chinese New Year never come yet. Also, you say Ong already. Okay, so they say about the rectangle, right? Segi empat tepat. Okay, so you guys can actually form the equation 2x plus 2y less than 180. Okay, 2x tambah 2y lebih kecil dari 180. Okay, do you guys understand how to get this answer? Boleh dapat the concept? So this is, wait. Just now some people say less than equal to, right? Ada orang kata macam ni kan salah tau. Okay, when you see not more than, tidak lebih daripada is always less than only. Ada beza guys. There is difference. Tidak lebih daripada maksudnya yang ni. Not more than. Okay, is this symbol. This one is the wrong one. Okay. So make sure you guys know when to put equal sign and also when not to put equal sign. There is difference in your graph. So you must be careful on that. All right. Okay. So next one. They telling you got 1 kg bayam and also 1 kg sawi. This is the price. And then they ask you sekurang-kurangnya. So guys, when you see at least, what is the symbol? Sekurang-kurangnya. Apa-apa. What do you guys get? At least. Can anyone type ketaksaman dia? Yes. Okay, very good. Greater than or equal to. Okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan. Very good. Okay, so this is the concept. And then they say 350, right? So you just write 350. Okay, so now, okay, wait, let me, okay. So means that 350x plus 450y, okay, is greater than or equal to 350. Okay, inilah ketaksaman dia. This is the inequality. Okay, do you guys get it? The concept? Boleh? Can so you guys can write the answer like this. Okay, inilah jawapan dia. So 350x plus 450y greater than or equal to 350. Okay, so next. Okay, so now this question, they actually want you to draw these two inequality. Kamu kena lukis dua-dua ketaksaman ni. Alright, so how do you guys actually draw? Modern maths also you guys got learn this. Ada belajar yang ni, modern maths. So first step, what will you do? Langkah pertama, if you guys want to draw a graph on this, kalau kamu nak lukis graph, what is the first step that you all do? Yes, very good. Okay, always draw the table. Okay, kamu kena lukis jadual, nilai X and Y. So guys, what is the minimum number of point you must have to draw a straight line? Apa bilangan titik minimum untuk lukis satu garis lurus? Okay, sama? Farihin say 2. Okay, 3, 2, sama. Minimum guys. Saya tanya minimum titik yang perlu plot untuk lukis satu garis lurus. Minimum number of point to draw straight line. Yes, the answer is 2 guys. 2. Okay, so what will be the 2 points that you all will plot? If you think carefully, based on the equation, what are the 2 points? Sangat senang. Apa 2 titik yang kamu akan guna? Usually for all equation, you can use this. You will always make 2 assumptions. Kamu akan buat 2 anggapan. So anyone know it? What should I do? Yes, very good. X equals 0. One more. First one is of course X equals 0. Lepas tu? Yes, very good. Y equals 0. Okay, so you will have 2 coordinate already. Am I right? kamu akan dapat dua coordinate. So you just need to substitute x equals 0 inside here and y equals 0 inside here. Okay, gantikan saja, then you will get the two coordinate. So this coordinate is actually your x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, pintasan x dan juga pintasan y. Alright, so when you guys draw the graph, you will get something like this. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is your graph. Okay, can you see, guys, when you draw? So make sure it's a straight line and it's a solid line. Okay, kena garis padu. Okay, because you see greater than or equal to, lebih besar atau sama dengan. Alright. Okay, but one thing, guys, when you see this sign, right, a lot of people will confuse. Banyak orang tak boleh faham. Okay, you see the sign is greater than or equal to, right? But why do I shade bottom of the line? Kenapa saya lorek bawah, guys? Because since it's greater than or equal to should be on top, right? Sepatutnya kena macam ni kan, ke atas. If you think logic lah, it should be above, right? Like this. But why the question lorek ke bawah? Siapa tahu? Okay, can you all explain a bit more? Lebih jelas, kenapa dia bukan lorek ke atas? Why is it not shade above? Because the symbol is greater than or equal to. Yes, very good, guys. You must always remember y must be the subject of your formula. Okay, y ni kena jadi perkara rumus. So means that you must actually shift the equation and express y in term of x. Do you understand? Kamu kena ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Okay, so when you guys actually shift the equation, right? Or you can also say shift the inequality lah. You can start from the inequality x minus 2y greater than or equal to negative 4. Okay, so you express y in term of x. Okay, so you will shift the x. So negative x minus 4. Okay, now guys, you see the step, I want to make everything positive, Saya nak semua sebutan positif. So what I do is, I times the equation with negative, right? Saya dapat negatif. So guys, does my symbol still like this? Adakah simbol ketaksaman masih macam ni? Kalau darab seluruh persamaan dengan negatif? Do I maintain the symbol like that? Yes or no? What do you all think? Very good. Okay, you must remember, guys, whenever you times the whole equation by negative, you must switch the symbol. Okay, kamu kena tukar simbol dia. So means that it should be like this. Okay, do you understand, guys? Boleh faham? So means that now your answer is something like this. X over 2 minus 2. So now do you understand, guys? Why do you shade down? Boleh faham kenapa lorek bawah? Yes, that's why the top one is the wrong answer. Atas salah. So it should be bawah. Okay? Bukan tambah. Oh yeah, sorry, correct. It should be plus. Thank you very much. Yes, plus. Okay? So yeah, this is your answer. Okay, guys? Are you all clear? How to see this? Sometimes the exam will give you the inequality in this format. Kadang-kadang dia akan bagi macam ni untuk trick kamu semua. Because a lot of people will think that, oh, simbol macam ni, so lorek atas. Totally wrong. Salah. Okay, you must always make sure equation in y equal to mx plus c. Okay? Alright, so now you see this question, guys. So guys, for this question, you see the equation, nampak persamaan dia. So, will the sign change? Adakah simbol ketaksaman berubah? Yes or no? Does the inequality symbol there change position? Means that less than become more than. Adakah ni berlaku kat sini? Okay, very good. Okay, basically you guys just need to express y in term of mx plus c again. You will see that the symbol never change one. Symbol dia takkan berubah. So you see, it just maintain throughout. Okay, remember guys, when you shifting negative to this side, if it's negative 5x, you put plus 5x, symbol dia tak tukar, your symbol cannot change. In this case, it will maintain only. When the operation is negative or positive, negative or plus, so it won't affect this. Dia takkan pengaruhi yang ni. Only when, like this situation over here. Can you see the difference, guys? Nampak beza dia. This one is times, kat tengah-tengah is darab. So whenever the relationship is times, you want to shift the negative number here, then only you change symbol. Yang ni kamu belajar dalam maths kan? Lower form, you guys got learn this already. So this is the concept. Okay? Boleh dapat guys? Are you all clear on it? Can? Can, Okay. So now, again, you must plot 2 points. So the 2 point is definitely your x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, pintasan x dan pintasan y. Okay, so you can see over here, your y-intercept, x-intercept. So this one is dotted line, guys. Garis putus-putus. Alright, because your symbol don't have equal sign. Tak ada sama dengan. Okay, so you can see how they shade lah. Okay, understand? Boleh faham? These two questions. These two questions is the basic for this chapter. Exam won't ask like this. Okay, peperiksaan takkan tanya macam ni, but it's just a basic for you guys. Okay, because exam they will combine 3 one shot in the question. 3 ketaksaman and ask you. Okay, all right. So guys, if you see this question, okay, so you must always remember when you guys doing this linear programming, you must always make an assumption for x and y. Kamu kena buat anggapan bagi nilai x dan nilai y. Okay, so you see this whole question guys. Does the question tell you what is your x, what is your y? Yes or no? Adakah soalan bagi tahu kat kamu apa nilai x, apa nilai y? Cuba fikir. Yes or no? Does the question give you information or not? Tak ada kan? Don't have, right? The question never give you anything, right? They never tell x equal what or y equal to what. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. We will see the question later. Don't worry. It will come. Okay? All right. So basically, you must make assumption for your x and y over here. Kamu kena buat anggapan dia. So what does it mean by make assumption? Okay, so you see the question carefully. Okay, so maybe I ask you first. What does your x value or y value represent here? Tell me in general. Nilai x dan y ni mewakili apa dalam soalan ni? Apa mereka nak cari kat sini? What they all want to find? You guys see lah. You see the question here. At least 200. Okay, they want to build houses. So the number of houses, right? Bilangan rumah. Am I right? Because you got 2 types of house. Dua jenis. A and B. Yes. Okay, so means that x equal to the number of house A, bilangan rumah A. You guys can write the assumption like this. So you can always start with this before you start to answer the inequality. Sebelum tulis ketaksaman, kamu tulis anggapan dulu. So this is your assumption. Okay? Are you guys clear? So you can write assumption like this. Okay, next. So based on this question, guys, can you all tell me what is the first inequality? Apa ketaksaman yang pertama? You guys try and see. So this is your question A lah. You must determine the inequality. So anyone? Can you give me your inequality? Ketaksaman. Any order also can lah guys. No worries. X plus y less greater than or equal to 200. Yes, correct. Okay, so this is your first inequality. X plus y greater than or equal to 200. Okay, so why is it like that? Kenapa? Because they say sekurang-kurangnya 200 buah guys. At least 200 houses. Okay, so means that is the total, right? Dia cakap pasal jumlah kan. So that's why is x plus y lah on the left hand side. Okay, next one. Kedua. Yes, 100x plus 75y. Okay, yes, correct. Yes, correct. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, inilah jawapan dia. Okay, so you can see over here. So guys, for the second one, it's not so clear on the symbol. Am I right? Dia tak jelas sangat about the symbol. They only tell you that the area of the land is 10,000. Dia hanya cakap luas. But common sense lah guys. If you want to build a house on the land, can the total area of the house be larger than the total area of land? Yes or no? Adakah luas rumah boleh melebihi luas tanah yang kamu ada? Tak logik kan? So that's why symbol must be less than or equal to lah. Kena lebih kecil atau sama dengan. Yes. Confirm you won't have space to live already lah guys. If your house is greater than the land. Masuk tanah orang, betul. So this one, imagine if this situation is you cross another country, even more problem lah guys. You build a house that rentas negara orang. Very illegal this one. 100A plus 75B less than or yes, correct. Okay, so guys, when you do this question, right, you must understand, is it we only use X and Y for our assumption? Adakah kita guna dua huruf ni saja? Ataupun yang lain juga boleh? The rest also can. What do you all think? Yes. Okay, you must remember guys, lain juga boleh. Don't fix your mind to think that always is X and Y. Sometimes yes, anything also can. But why the question usually use this one is because you are plotting graph. Am I right? Kamu tengah lukis graph kan? So guys, axis of the graph berapa ada? Berapa paksi graph yang kamu belajar? X and Y, right? So that's why they use symbol X and Y lah. So that is simple, senang, tak payah confuse. Okay, because usually you don't label your axis as M or N or maybe A and B. Very rare, right? Tak ada kan? The standard one yang asas is X and Y. So that's why your assumption also is X and Y. So that's senang. Okay? Understand? Unless soalan bagi tahu anggapan lah, like A equal to number of house A, B equal number of house B, then ikut soalan. Follow the question. But if question never say anything, tak bagi tahu apa-apa, you can make your own assumption. Boleh buat anggapan kamu. Okay, so when you do the assumption on your own, it's better to use X and Y. Understand? Lebih senang lah supaya kamu tak confused. Imagine that you need to draw a graph of Y versus X, right? Y-axis versus X-axis, but your assumption you go and put C equal to the number of house A, D equal to the number of house B. Kamu letak huruf-huruf yang sangat berlainan. So you will confuse. The C actually represent what? Is it the Y or the X? Kamu pun akan keliru. Am I right? So that's why it's better to just stick with one symbol, which is X and Y. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh dapat the concept? Clear? Can Okay, so next one. Okay, so you need to draw the inequality. Kena lukis. Okay, so when you guys draw, it's the same concept like just now. So you guys can see over here lah. Okay, the question will also tell you the scale. So don't worry too much on the scale. Okay, skala akan dinyatakan. So make sure you guys follow the scale that the question tell you on the X and Y axis. Okay, ikut skala. Don't simply create your own scale. Okay, jangan reka skala baru. Okay, so that your graph will fit lah inside the paper. Okay, are you guys clear how to draw these two lines? Any problems? Apa-apa masalah tentang graph ni? This chapter very technical guys. So if you can kuasai all the aspect, right, very simple. Because concept not so much, tak banyak. More on technical side, which is drawing graphs. Okay, so it's just on practice only lah. Okay, so now guys, we see this question. Example, they ask you to draw graph guys. Kamu kena lukis. Okay, so you see these three equations here, right? Okay, so first step guys, what do you all do? Always, apa langkah pertama that you all must do over here? When you have the equations, can I direct determine where I can shade? Boleh tak saya tentukan kat mana saya boleh lorek? Okay, yes, you can find points first lah, can. Okay, kamu boleh cari titik. And also make sure your equation is in y equal mx plus c format. Okay, kena bagi tahu dalam bentuk y sama dengan mx tambah c. Okay, because sometimes the symbol, it will change. Okay, macam tadi, they can switch the symbol one, depend on the equation. Alright, okay, so you guys can try and see. Okay, example, the first one. So you will get 2y greater than or equal to 12 plus 3x. So you will get y is greater than or equal to 6 plus 3 over 2x. So guys, kamu boleh nampak simbol tak tukar kan? The symbol never change at all. So in this case, it doesn't change. Kalau y kat depan dah positif tak ya kan? Yes, correct. Basically, yeah, that's the concept. Okay, if you guys see that the value of, the coefficient of y is a positive value, then you no need to change sign. Understand? Kalau perkali y2 positif, tak perlu tukar simbol ke tak saman. Okay? So you guys see here. Do I need to change symbol guys? Adakah saya perlu tukar soalan ni? simbol dia. Very simple. Tak perlu kira pun. Kalau tak mudahkan macam guna yes, boleh. Tak ada masalah guys. No problem. Because jawapan dia masih sama. It's still the same point yang kamu akan plot. Okay? So jangan risau yang tu. Yes kan? Yang ni kena tukar because you guys see the coefficient of y is negative 1. Am I right? Negative 1. So nombor negative. So your answer usually will be like this lah. The symbol. Okay, it will change. Okay? Understand? Okay, how about this one guys? Will the symbol change? Adakah simbol tukar? Very good. Okay, simbol takkan tukar. So it maintain also like this. Okay? Understand guys? So from now you guys can find the point already. Boleh cari titik. So all this equation you just let x equal 0, find your y value, let y equal 0, find your x value. Kamu cari dua titik, pintasan x, pintasan y. Okay? So you guys can see over here how to draw it. Ini ketiga-tiga graph. Alright? So yeah, very standard lah. Okay, nothing much. Alright, are you guys clear how to draw the graphs? So make sure in exam time kamu pilih skala yang betul. Okay, make sure you guys choose the correct scale if the question never tell you what scale to use. Kadang-kadang soalan tak bagi tahu. If the question never say, then make sure you draw a suitable scale. Okay, lukis dengan skala yang sesuai. So, kalau nak pemudahkan persamaan, kena pemudahkan 3 persamaan kali atau boleh je pemudahkan. Yang ni sebenarnya tak perlu pemudahkan persamaan guys. Okay, kalau kamu nak pun boleh. No problem. Okay, kamu tanyakan untuk soalan yang suruh list 3 ketak samaan tu kan? Soalan bahagian A. Okay. I think it's good lah to give your answer in the simplest form because NMATs usually they want to give the answer in the simplest form. Yes, can also, no problem. But the problem is guys, when you pemudahkan kan, it's actually changing the value in the question. Do you understand or not? Kalau kamu pemudahkan persamaan, dah ubah nilai dalam soalan tu. So usually I won't simplify for this chapter only. Saya takkan pemudahkan. Okay, because example, you see this question. Let me see which one can. This one guys. Yang ni boleh pemudahkan kan? Persamaan ni. You can simplify, right? Macam mana simplify? Bahagi 5 kan? You can divide 5. Tapi soalan tak bagi 5. They never simplify. Why? Because the question here, can you see guys? 100 meter square, 75 meter square. This is the exact value. Nilai sebenar. So if you guys pemudahkan, kamu macam tak jawab soalan. Understand tak guys? You never answer the question because you already change these two values. Kamu dah ubah from the asal. Okay? How nak plot dengan tepat? Tepat kamu tu maksud apa? Macam kamu maksudkan macam mana nak cari titik ke untuk plot? Basically macam saya kata tadi, kamu lihat dua titik saja guys. Only 2 point. X intercept, Y intercept. Pintasan X, pintasan Y. You see this question guys. Okay, this one only got pintasan X. Okay, kenapa macam ni? Because your scale, skala kamu. Okay, they never, maybe the scale is, I don't know lah. Okay, maybe it's just 2 cm to 1 unit. Macam tu. Okay, so they don't want to plot so many point lah. And also this graph is not the standard size. Graph ni bukan yang SPM guna. Okay, but it's just to show you, let's say your scale cannot find the y-intercept, it's okay. Kalau skala kamu bila lukis graph tak boleh sentuh paksi X atau Y, tak apa. Ikut saja. Asalkan sentuh satu daripada dua-dua tu cukup. If you guys can touch one of the 2 points, X-intercept or Y-intercept, some cases is okay already. Doesn't mean must touch both. Tak semestinya kena sentuh dua-dua. Contoh macam soalan ni. Faham tak guys? Okay, sometimes when you guys do linear programming question, right? Your straight line can cut the y-axis. Boleh potong paksi y. But paksi x cannot. Because of the scale not enough. Like say question say 2 cm to 10 unit. And then your x-intercept value that you get is maybe 100. 100. So you guys cannot draw, right? Because you have a limit. Graph paper got only certain size. So you cannot plot 100. Tak boleh pada paksi X. So never mind. Tinggalkan. Cari titik lain. Find another point. So for this question, guys, maybe you can try, maybe let me think. Okay, maybe X equal 3. Then you find the Y value lah. Cari nilai Y. From this question, you will get 6. Am I right? So this is the alternative. It doesn't mean your 2 points is always X-intercept or Y-intercept. Kamu boleh pilih mana-mana coordinate berdasarkan skala yang kamu ada. Understand? It depends on your scale. That's how you can choose your point. So, kalau selalunya lorek, Ya. Betul. Tapi exam jangan lorek guna purple lah, guys. Exam at maths, when you guys do any graph, must draw pencil lah. Hanya boleh pencil lah, jangan guna pen for graph. Alright? And then some people also got asked, at maths, I'm not confident to write my answer in pen. So can I write my SPM using pencil or not for AdMaths? What do you guys think? Kamu fikir apa? Boleh ke tak? Boleh tak saya jawab SPM AdMaths guna pencil? Tak mau guna pen? Tak boleh ya? Who say can? Cannot guys, tak boleh. Kena guna pen. Must use pen. Remember guys, any SPM paper. So yes, nanti tak nampak kalau guna pencil. Am I right? How sharp is your pencil compared to a pen? Cannot, right? So although you feel like not confident, takut salah, is okay. If you guys write accidentally using pen, you just draw a straight line, potong lah. Any question also, you use your ruler, any ruler, and then you guys just cut your working. Potong saja jawapan and then continue your working baru. Sambung dengan jalan kira baru. Alright? Because I know at maths a lot of people will do mistake when doing your working. Am I right? Biasa kan buat silap masa buat maths, especially when the question very long, sangat panjang. It's okay. You can ask for extra sheet. Am I right? Request saja kat pengawas nak helaian tambahan. It's okay, they will give one. Okay, no problem. Let's say you got no space to write. Tak ada ruang cukup. It's okay. I think we'll have one. Akan ada. No worries. But usually inside the question paper, the space is usually enough. Akan ada banyak ruang because they know. And maths, the question is very long one. And sometimes also need a lot of working. Banyak jalan kira. So mereka akan bagi cukup. Okay. My teacher say later someone sabotage. Yes, true. Because pencil, right, guys? If you use pencil, logic lah, guys. They can erase your work, right? Am I right? Mereka boleh padamkan sesiapa pun. Kamu tak tahu. Although the paper is closed, people can still erase your answer one and then say that you never answer the paper at all. Kamu tak jawab apa-apa soalan. How you guys feel? Very sad, right? You hard write all the question and answer, but CC nothing. But pen tak boleh. Pen, they can use correction tape, but correction tape people can see already. So pen is very safe. Sangat selamat. So that's why always use pen. Yes, it's a must. Cannot answer AdMaths using pencil lah, guys. Remember, unless it's a drawing, melainkan lukisan macam graph. Cannot use correction tape. Cannot. SPM memang cannot use correction tape lah, guys. Any subject also SPM cannot use correction tape. You must just cut your answer. Potong saja guna pembaris dan pen. Yes, correct. Can use pencil on graph only. Okay. I find it hard to change the equation into linear equation. Oh, that one is linear law, right? Linear law, you go see my YouTube. I got make video on that already. All right. You guys can see my YouTube one to learn on that linear law. You can see how I convert non-linear to linear equation. Can I use 5B pencil? 5B pencil, I don't think so because SPM is BB or 2B. Am I right, guys? SPM, they always say kena guna BB atau 2B saja. Am I right? Even objective sama kan? So I think cannot lah. Any pencil also don't use, guys. Should I use pencil or mechanic pencil? Mechanic, you need to check. You have to check the labeling lah, guys. Is it BB or 2B? Because you must understand they are scanning your answer. It's online marking. Semakan secara online. So you must make sure your graph is clear. So that's why they already specify use BB or 2B. Maybe because these two are the most clear lah, paling jelas when they scan. Okay, understand guys? Boleh ya? So this one all the technical aspect. Okay, so this equation, you guys can see another situation lah. You can find the x-intercept, y-intercept, pintasan x dan y. Alright? Okay, so now guys, you see this question guys, lihat yang ni. Okay, so you see this first question. Okay, so can you all tell me what is the inequality over here? Apa ketaksaman dia? They say the number of unit for n is not more than 3 times the number of unit for m. So you guys try and see what is the inequality you get. So guys, you see here, lihat soalan. X unit kereta M, Y unit kereta N. So guys, do I need to write assumption? Adakah saya perlu tulis anggapan? Yes or no? You see the question. No need. Very good. Tak perlu. Okay, because the question sudah bagi anggapan. They already tell you clearly. X unit M, Y unit N. So you no need to write. Tak perlu tulis sekali lagi. Symbol lah. There is a table, I think, in your AdMaths textbook. Like, not more than is what symbol, not less than what symbol. They got, I think. I think you can try to see. Oh, gak ada orang tanya soalan ke? Oh, ambiguous case can use pencil lah. Okay, this one, let me think. Ambiguous case. I will still maybe use pencil lah. Saya akan guna. Okay, because it's still a drawing. Am I right? Dia masih lukisan. Sketch, right? Lakaran, sorry. Lakar. So I think still can. Masih boleh. Okay? Because the problem is if you guys use pen and if you draw wrongly, kamu lukis salah macam mana? You have to do again, right? But pencil you can rub and then draw on the same spot again. So that is the only thing lah. Okay, guys? So ambiguous case, you guys can use pencil. All right? Okay, so now, can you all tell me, guys, the first question, what is the inequality? Apa ketaksaman dia? For bahagian A. What do you all think? They say the number of unit for N is not more than 3 times the number of unit for M. So anyone? Can you comment the answer? Not more than, guys. Tidak lebih daripada. You must see the symbol. Remember, if not more than, how is the symbol? Yes. Okay, ingat guys. It should be y less than or equal to 3x. Okay, understand? Okay, remember not more than is must have equal sign. Okay, kena ada sama dengan. Alright, so the answer is like that. Okay, second one. They tell the total number of cars is at most 80 units. So how do you form the part B? Ketaksaman dia. Macam mana? So they say at most. Yes, very good. Okay, x plus y less than or equal to 80. Correct. Okay, so you should get x plus y is the total jumlah selebih-lebihnya. Okay, at most means less than or equal to 80. Okay, third one, yang ketiga, they say for n is at least 10 unit. Sekurang-kurangnya 10 unit. So means, what is the answer? Yes, very good. Okay, kalau sekurang-kurangnya at least, this is the symbol. Okay, so y greater than or equal to 10. Okay, are you clear? So this is how usually the SPM will ask you lah, like this question too. This is the type. Okay, can guys? Boleh ya? Alright. So this is another type of question. Okay, usually SPM they like to give long sentence like this. Mereka akan bagi perenggan macam ni. So you guys must actually come out with the inequality. Kamu kena dapatkan ketaksaman. Okay, so if you guys see over here, the whole question, do I need to make assumption here, guys? Adakah saya perlu buat anggapan this question? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, you can see that they already tell you, right? X hectare, Y hectare. Pisang, betik. So means they already do the assumption. Mereka sudah buat. So kamu tak payah buat. Just follow the question. Okay? Alright. So first one, can you all Think and see. What is the inequality? Apa ketaksamaan pertama? So anyone? First inequality, what do you get? Come on guys, cuba. Yang pertama, what do you all get? Usually we will try to follow the sentence. Kita akan ikut ayat soalan. So the first ayat is the first inequality. Second one is the second inequality. Okay, yes. Okay, so they say seluas 80 hektar kan? The area is 80. So you must understand this is the maximum area. Jumlah luas maximum. Alright, so you guys just put x plus y less than or equal to 80. Alright, so this is your first inequality. Okay, second, can you guys try and see? Yang kedua, what do you guys get? So second one, they are talking about the workers, pekerja. So you must try and see. So the most important thing, right, guys, in this chapter is make sure your inequality is correct. Yang ni sangat penting Ketaksaman kat bahagian A kena betul. Why? Because you must remember linear programming question and maths is related one. Every single section is related. So if your first part wrong, graph wrong, last part also wrong. So kamu akan hilang banyak markah. A lot of mark. That's why I say this topic is easy to score, easy to lose mark if your first part is wrong. So this is the most important part for this chapter. Senaraikan ketaksaman must be correct. Okay, so 3x plus 6y less than or equal to 360, correct? Okay, so you guys can see over here. Now they are comparing the number of workers, right? Jumlah pekerja is 360. So you guys can see 3 orang is for the banana plant, pisang, and then 6 orang is for the betik. Okay, so means that you just take 3x plus 6y, it should be less than or equal to 360. Boleh faham tak? Okay, although they never say the maximum number of workers, mereka tak cakap macam tu bah, yang kan. So you just use common sense, guna pengetahuan am. Alright? Because if you think logic lah guys, can I have more than or equal to 360 workers? Yes or no? Boleh tak kalau simbol dia lebih besar atau sama dengan? Oh, wait. I cannot see the RM for pisang. Oh, okay. Now can. So guys, adakah dia logik kalau saya letak simbol ketaksaman lebih besar atau sama dengan? Let's say I put like this. Greater than or equal to. Think and see. Tak logik kan? Yes. Okay, it's not logic because 360 is like cukup. Just enough for the 3x plus 6y. That's why it cannot be more than or equal to 360. So it's a bit common sense lah, this one. Alright. Okay, so last one. Yang ketiga, ketaksaman. Okay, 800x plus 300y. Yes, correct. Okay, so you guys can see over here. For pokok pisang, the banana is 800, and then betik is 300, and you can see over here, sekurang-kurangnya guys, at least. So at least the symbol will be greater than or equal to, lebih besar atau sama dengan. So it's 800x plus 300y. It should be greater than or equal to 24,000. Okay, are you guys clear? How to get the 3 answers? Boleh dapat? Clear? So it's like this lah guys. This chapter. Macam ni saja. Okay, then you can see how to draw the graph for these 3 inequality. Model matematik yang tu biasanya seorang tak tanya in SPM. So that's why I never discuss. Linear programming soalan dia standard saja guys. Always is the same type of question. Bahagian A, cari ketaksamaan. Bahagian B, lukis graph. Bahagian C, yes, maximum and minimum. Yang tu dah datang lagi, coming. Okay, we will discuss that question also. Don't worry. Okay, are you guys clear how to draw these 3 lines? Boleh dapat? Any problems? Should be okay, right? So just make sure you shade the correct part. Lorek bahagian betul. Alright? Okay. So next one. Okay, come Adi. maximum, minimum. All right, guys. So for this question, okay, first one, they ask you to draw k equal to x plus 2y. Okay, listen up guys. For objective function, dengar betul-betul. Macam mana lukis fungsi objektif. Okay, so first step, you guys must always choose a value for k. Kamu kena cari nilai k. Am I right? Because if you don't have k value, how you find your x and y? Too many unknown, right? Banyak pun boleh ubah, so tak boleh. Okay, so how do you choose your k value? Anyone know first? Siapa tahu macam mana tentukan nilai k ni? Sebelum saya bagi tahu. Input nilai x and y. Boleh lebih jelas tak jawapan kamu? Tak jelas lagi. So how you guys determine the k value for your linear programming? Very simple guys. Sangat senang. Daripada paksi. Not really. Bukan. No. Okay guys. I share to you all. Saya kongsi ya. Yes, very good Zian. Okay, it should be the common multiple of x and y. Okay. Dia kena gandaan sepunya guys. Bagi x dan y. Kamu faham tak? Maksud gandaan sepunya. Common multiple. So guys, I ask you. What is the common multiple of 1 and 2? Tell me. What is the common multiple that you know? 1 and 2. 1 dan 2. Multiple lah guys. Gandaan. 1 is not a multiple of 2. 2 right? 2 kan? Okay, but guys. Logic. Based on your scale here. You see the scale on your y-axis and x-axis. Will I choose a number 2 as my k? Adakah saya akan pilih nombor 2 berdasarkan skala saya? You must know, you must find a point that is easy to plot. Senang nak plot dan lukis garis ni. So you need to choose a larger k value. Am I right? Kamu kena cari nilai k lebih besar. So guys, what are the multiples of 1 and 2 that is larger? Yes, 10 right? Very good. Okay, 10 boleh. So if you guys choose 10, let me see. Yeah, can already. Boleh. Yes, 10 is the perfect value. Okay, so you just say k equal 10. So you will get x plus 2y equal 10. Okay, now, how do you draw the objective function, guys? Macam mana kamu lukis garis dia? Same concept lah, guys. Let x equal 0. Let y equal 0. Find your x-intercept. Find your y-intercept. Okay, cari pintasan x and y. So you guys draw the table. Okay, you will have x, y, and then 0. This one 0. Okay, so x equals 0. Y equal 5. Am I right? And then y equals 0. X equal 10. So your coordinate is 0, 5 and 10, 0. Okay, I show you over here how to plot. Okay, so you have 0, 5 and also 10, 0. Okay, so 5 is here and then 10 is here. Okay, guys, so you just draw a dotted line to show objective function. Kamu boleh lukis garis putus-putus. All right, so you guys can, okay, they never show here. I show you here. Okay, now, okay, this is part A lah. Part A habis. Okay, and then part B, they tak faham lah. Oh, kamu kena cari gandaan sepunya bagi X and Y. Nilai X satu kan kat depan X. Saya maksudkan perkali bagi X dan perkali bagi Y. Okay, your coefficient of X 1, coefficient of Y 2 kan. So apa gandaan sepunya dua-dua ni? Kamu boleh pilih 10 kan? Because 10 bahagi 1, 10. 10 bahagi 2, 5. Nombor bulat. Tak ada baki. Faham tak? There is no remainder. You can divide it completely. Boleh bahagi dengan tepat. Itu maksud saya. Alright? Okay, so yeah, actually K boleh jadi apa-apa nilai. Dia tak fix. Dia bergantung pada kamu. Alright? As long dia adalah gandang sepunya. Itu saja kamu kena check. Alright? Okay, so now for question B, they ask you to draw a straight line that is parallel to k equal x plus 2y. Okay, so guys, when you draw your line, right, you must make it parallel, you know, to this line. Kena selari dengan yang ni. So how do you make it parallel? Macam mana kamu nak tentukan dia adalah selari? How? You use your common sense. You can use what? Alatan apa? The most basic alatan lah in maths. Yes, pembaris lah. Okay, the most basic one. So you just place your ruler on this line. and you move your ruler up. Okay, gerakan pembaris kamu atas. Jangan ubah kedudukan pembaris, maintain and then move up. Okay, so when you do that, right, you just, sorry. Okay, you guys, wait, oh, I went to the wrong part. Okay, this one. Okay, so you guys just move your ruler up until you reach the shaded region. Okay, kamu nampak gambar titik ni kan? Shaded region. Okay, so you try to place your straight line on these points. Kamu letak garis ni atas semua titik ni. Alright? Are you guys clear on it? So you guys can actually, hey, wait. Sorry. Always lari this one. Wait, guys. Okay. So they ask you to find the minimum value, right? Kamu kena, maximum first. Okay, so common sense, guys. You see all the points here. Kamu nampak semua titik. Titik mana akan bagi nilai maximum? Common sense. Which one will give you a maximum value? So you have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always choose the corners of your shaded region. Pilih bucu dia sahaja. Okay, 0, 30. The rest, which one will give you maximum? Okay, one person said number 3. You all comment number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one will give me the maximum cost? Okay, 1, 3. Okay, got many say 3. Okay, so how to know, guys? Macam mana tahu? Okay, so you must actually check with your line. Kena periksa guna pembaris. Okay, so basically the concept is when you move this line, right? Okay, I cannot show you over here lah, but I tell generally. Okay, when you move the line to all of these points, you see the line that can give you the highest K value. Okay, boleh bagi nilai K paling tinggi. Alright, so wait lah, let me see. Okay, so you know your function is x plus 2y, right? You know this, right? So guys, you can just trial and error with all these points. So you try with this one first, 0, 30. So x equals 0, y equal 30. So mean that you get 60. Okay, you see number 3, guys. If it's 15, 10. So if 15, 10 means that x equal 15, y equal 10. So guys, is this maximum? Adakah nilai ni maximum? No, right? So that's why this one is wrong lah. This is not the maximum because 60 is the highest value. Understand or not, guys? So that's why 0, 30 is your maximum point, titik maximum, to get a maximum value. They ask you nilai maximum, which means that they want you to find the K. In other words, cari nilai K. Alright? Understand, guys? Do you get the concept? So another concept, if you don't want to substitute point, kalau tak mau, yes, trial and error. Tapi kamu hanya cuba 4 titik ni sajalah. Okay, just try out the corners of your shaded region. Because you must understand, guys, the point that you choose must satisfy the inequality. Am I right? Dia kena patuhi ketaksaman. So let us say, guys, can I choose a point here? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya guna titik ni gantikan kat K equal X plus 2Y? Is this correct? Betul tak? Kalau saya buat macam ni. Tak betul kan? Yes. Remember, you must always use the points in the shaded region only. Dalam kawasan berlorek saja. Alright? So that's why identifying the correct shaded region is important. If your shaded region wrong, your answer for this one confirm wrong also. Salah. Because your point is already wrong. Okay? Will it be possible the max lies on the straight line? Max lies on the straight line. You mean what? Are you talking about the maximum value or the maximum point value? Means like this point, is it? Like 0, 30. Usually, right, the maximum value, okay, I show you the example here. This one you get 60, right? 60. It doesn't line anywhere. Okay, you must understand. This value you guys count is the K value, right? Nilai K. Do we actually plot the K value on the x-axis or y-axis, guys? Yes or no? Adakah kita plot nilai K ni ke mana-mana paksi? Common sense. You have K equal X plus 2Y. No, right? Tak ada. K is just a product that you get from the equation. So you cannot plot it on the graph. Kamu tak boleh lukis dia atas graph because you're getting that value from this equation. Understand or not? It's just a random value. Okay? Boleh faham tak guys? So you cannot find it on the graph. Okay? Like example 60, you see don't have, right? 60. There is no point 60 on this graph. Tak ada. Understand? Are you clear? Okay, so now guys, how about the minimum? What point do you think is the minimum point? So you have 1, 2, 3. This one cannot lah. This one is maximum. So among number 1, number 2, and number 3, which one is the minimum point? Mana titik minimum? Okay, so you say 2. The rest, which one is minimum? Very common sense, guys. You see the position of the point also you know already. Kamu nampak kedudukan titik, kamu tahu. Correct lah. The answer is 10, 5. Okay, can you see this one is the most, this point is the most bottom compared to all the point in the shaded region, dia paling bawah kan. So confirm it'll be the minimum lah. And then you see this point is the highest, right? Paling tinggi. So confirm it'll be the maximum. Am I right? Because it is influenced by the x coordinate and also y coordinate. Your final answer. Okay? Understand? Boleh dapat? So another tips is when you draw your straight line, right? Garis lurus tu kan. Kamu gerak garis ni, okay, contoh. You have one line like this and then another line like this. Okay, maybe you got only two here lah. Dua saja. Okay, you cannot move the line here and here. Actually can, but you already know the y-intercept lah. Kamu tahu pintasan y. So another concept is with that line, right? You see your y-intercept, guys. Tengok pintasan y. You can get the answer also. Y. The highest y-intercept is actually your maximum point. Understand or not, guys? Kalau kamu ada garis yang kamu gerakkan selari dengan garis fungsi objektif tu kan, dapat maximum for your y-intercept. So that point that you touch is actually the maximum point. Understand or not? Itu adalah titik maximum. Because the line you are just moving it parallel. Kamu gerak selari saja. So if the line cuts the y-axis at a higher point, means that that point is the maximum lah. Itu adalah titik maximum. Understand or not? So you guys can see over here. You see how I draw these two lines. Wait for a while. Okay, this is not accurate, but I try my best to make it most accurate. So you guys see here lah. Okay, I need to follow that line. Then only can. I try my best, guys, because this one is not accurate at all. Okay, so this line and then, okay, maybe I draw like this. Okay, look like parallel a bit lah. Okay, so you can see here, guys. I pass through all the 3 points. Saya lalui ke tiga titik. You guys see which one has the highest y-intercept? Can you all tell me? Mana mempunyai nilai pintasan y paling tinggi? Tell me, what is the value of the highest y-intercept? Apa nilai pintasan y paling tinggi? 30 kan? 30, right? Guys, that's why you guys tell me just now 0.30 is the maximum point, right? Nilai maximum. So this is how I see, guys. Boleh nampak tak? Semua garis ni adalah selari. Is parallel. Can you guys see it? So you see this line, it only reach until 21. But I have another point, which is more higher, which is 30. Understand, guys? Boleh dapat? So that's why 0.30 is your maximum point. Okay? And then minimum point. Minimum point, you guys don't tell me this one lah. This one is from your objective function. Dari fungsi objektif, you must choose a point in the shaded region. So which one is minimum? This one, right? This one come from where? 10.5 kan? So that's why 10.5 is your minimum point. Understand? This is another method. Satu lagi kaedah if you don't want to trial and error. Understand, guys? This is one method. I trial and error. Another method is I draw the line. See which one got highest y-intercept. That's all. Okay? Boleh dapat, guys? So, do we need to show where maximum or minimum? You can see over here how they show. You just label lah. You mark the point and then you just put the coordinate. And then maybe you can write max point or mean point. Okay? Short form lah. No need to so complex. Alright? So when you guys calculate, you should get this answer. Okay? So your maximum is 60 and minimum is 20. All right. Okay. So another type of question, guys, they can ask you. Okay, maybe sometimes they will give you the line, but they never tell you the equation. Mereka tak bagi tahu persamaan. This is like your modern maths, right, guys? Does it give you all memories of modern maths? Ada bayangan tak? Mathematics modern ketaksamaan linear. They give you the line, but they never give you the equation. Mereka tak bagi persamaan. Kamu kena bentukkan. You must form the equation. Yes. Also can come in maths. Okay. What do we do with the objective function again after you find them? Oh, you find the two coordinate to draw your objective function line. X-intercept and also y-intercept. Means you find x equals 0, what is your y value, and y equals 0, what is your x value. 2 points, enough. You can draw a straight line. To find max or minimum, yes, correct. So what is your question? Okay, so you see this one, guys. Okay, so can you all try and see what is the inequality that you all get over here? Apa ketaksamaan dia? Try and see what is the answer you get. So you guys try to form the equation first. Bentuk persamaan dulu. This one is your basics, guys. Very basic. If you guys know modern maths, you confirm know this also. So it's like a revision for your maths also. How to form the equation. So anyone? Cepat. When you guys do maths, must be fast, guys. When you solve the question, kena pantas. Because maths, memang not enough time, guys, to solve. A lot of people struggle with their time because a lot of question, banyak soalan. So this kind of question, you guys must be fast one. Sangat pantas. So anyone? Answer? Come on. Share your inequality to me. Apa ketaksamaan kamu? So anyone? Dapat jawapan? Do you all get a D? Don't think I pressure you guys to solve fast. Saya tak pressure kamu semua. It's just so that you can do faster in the exam. X plus Y greater than 1. No, not correct. Try again. Y greater than half X minus 1. No, your gradient is wrong. Kecerunan salah. Your y-intercept correct. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is actually y greater than x minus 1, guys. Okay, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? Okay, because you find your two coordinate. Okay, I show you the working here, simple. Okay, so you guys can see over here, you just choose 2 points on the straight line. Pilih dua titik saja. So 0, -1 and also 1, 0 kan? Dua titik tu. Okay, so you find your gradient, cari kecerunan, and then you use y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. This equation, you can form the straight line. Persamaan garis lurus. Okay? So you will get y greater than x minus 1. Greater than because you shade above. Kamu lorek ke atas and then it's a dotted line. Garis putus-putus. So it's only greater than. Don't have equal sign. Tak ada sama dengan. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? Can? This one? Okay, you guys try this one. Cuba yang ni pula. What is the inequality you get? Apa ketaksamaan kamu? Okay. The rest? Apa-apa? Okay, some more people? Lagi orang? What is your inequality? Apa ketaksamaan kamu? Must be fast, guys. Kena cepat, come on. So anyone else want to try? Lagi orang? What is your inequality? Apa ketaksaman kamu? Not 4 ah. 4 is wrong. 4 salah. Okay, so the answer you guys should get is actually y less than 5x plus 1. Okay? Are you guys clear on it? Boleh? Okay, so how to find, guys? You find your gradient first. Cari kecerunan. So you guys got 1 point here and also 1 point here. Okay, so you have negative 2, negative 4 and also 0, 1. So guys, you can count the gradient, right? Boleh cari kecerunan. Okay, wait ah. Is there any mistake? Sorry. I write wrongly. This one is negative 1, negative 4. Okay. So when you find the gradient, you will get like this, right? Macam ni kan? So your answer is 5, right? So that's why 5. And then you see this one is the y-intercept, pintasan y. So that's why plus 1. Okay? And then less than, because you shade downwards. Kamu lorek ke bawah, so lebih kurang. Okay? And then dotted line, garis putus-putus. So you guys going to use this symbol only. Okay? You guys get the concept? Can you guys see the pattern of question, guys? Nampak pola dia. You see the pattern, you can easier to solve already. Senang. Alright? Okay, so next one. Question 2. Okay, so they ask you to state the inequality, guys. Kamu kena nyatakan ketaksaman. Okay, so first one, number 1, Roman 1. Can you all tell me the answer? Apa jawapan dia? This one is just to practice you all to see the keyword. Kamu kena nampak kata kunci. Tidak melebihi means not more than. So not more than, what is the symbol? Ketaksaman. Or you can give me the whole equation. Bagi seluruh persamaan. So anyone? Do you get the answer? Yeah, not more than, guys. Tidak lebih daripada. Try again. Teresa, almost there. Yes. Okay, it should have equal sign, guys. Because not more than is always less than or equal to. Okay? Lebih kurang atau sama dengan. Alright? Are you guys okay? So must have equal sign, because not more than. Tidak melebihi. Okay, second one. Can you guys try and see? So they say the number of people for Q is not more than also 4 times the number of people for P. So you need to make assumption lah, guys. X equal the number of people for P and Y equal number of people for Q. Itu anggapan. So anyone? Yes. Okay, Y less than or equal to 4X. Correct. Okay, because they say tidak lebih daripada, not more than. So less than equal to 4 times. 4 kali. So 4X. Okay. Alright, the third one. Ketiga. They say the number of people for Q exceeds the number of people for P by at least 5 people. Sekurang-kurangnya 5 orang. This one also is different a bit lah, sedikit berbeza. Number 3. So they actually told the assumption. X is for P, Y is for Q. So you don't need to write assumption. Tak perlu tulis. Okay? So what's the answer, guys? Number 3. Yang ketiga tu, apa-apa. They say Q melebihi P. Sekurang-kurangnya. At least 5 people. Anyone? Hello? What do you guys get? Number 3. Cuba. What? Nope. Bukan. Okay, correct. Okay, the answer is Y greater than or equal to 5 plus X. Or you can write as Y minus X greater than or equal to 5. Ini dua jawapan. Dua-dua pun boleh lah. Both also can. Okay, they say Q is more than P, right, guys? Q lebih besar dari P. So, guys, logic. Can I use X minus Y? Boleh tak saya tulis X tolak Y? Lebih besar atau sama dengan 5? Yes or no? Can I write like that? Common sense. X minus Y, guys. X minus Y. Boleh tak saya tulis macam tu? They say Y is greater than X. Tak boleh, right? Okay? Yes. Mesti A ni. Yes. Okay. So, always remember, guys, you must take a larger number minus the smaller number. Ambil besar, tolak kecil. Why? Okay, you're talking about bilangan, right? Numbers, right? So guys, you imagine and see. 8 minus 5 and also 4 minus 9. Okay, this one you get 3, right? This one you get negative 5. So guys, this one, macam mana kamu boleh dapat nombor negatif kalau dia bilangan? Is negative number, right? Is it possible you get a negative value? Yes or no? For number of people, bilangan orang. Cannot, right? Negative cannot, right? Means you must always take a larger number minus the smaller number. Yang besar tolak kecil. So this question they say Q is the larger number because Q melebihi P, is more than P. So that's why I take Y, which is for Q, minus X, which is for P. Okay? Do you guys get the concept? So that's why your answer should get something like this. Okay? For number 2. Alright guys, are you clear? Question number 2? Boleh ya? Okay, next one. Question number 3. Okay, so question 3, can you guys try? You guys write all the inequality also lah. Tulis semua ketaksaman. Just to make you all practice this one a lot. Latih banyak-banyak. So that you guys in the exam, no problem. When you guys go exam, right, if you see section C question, this one, right, you do this one first because it will help you be more confident to solve the other question. You always start with the simple question. Mula dengan yang senang. Then you guys more confident for the other paper 2 question, other topic. So if you feel like you want to start with section C, it's okay. You can start also paper 2 with section C, no problem. Yes. So anyone? First inequality, ketaksaman pertama. What do you guys get? You guys try to start, follow the order lah. Okay, you can see this first keyword. Okay, they say the monthly expenses for food is at most 3 times the monthly expense for transportation. Okay, so yes. Okay, so you will get Y less than or equal to. Must have equal to guys. At most, selebih-lebihnya kena ada sama dengan. Okay, so the first one is Y less than or equal to 3x. Okay, second one, kedua. Okay, Y less than or equal to X plus 50. Yes, correct. Okay, because you can see for the food is at least 50 more than transport. Okay, so for food, I assume Y lah. Okay, sorry, they make the assumption. X is for transport, Y for food. So you must start with Y. So Y, and then at least 50 more than transportation. Okay, so plus X. Okay, and the last one, terakhir, X plus Y less than or equal to 1000. Yes, correct. Betul. Okay, so you will get Y plus X less than or equal to 1000. Okay, because they say 1/3 of the monthly income. 1/3 gaji means that 1/3 times 3000. So it's 1000. Okay, and then this one is the total lah, jumlah. That's why you guys plus both. Okay, so this one will be your final answer. Okay, boleh guys? Are you all clear on this one? Can? Don't be bored guys. If you see the same thing repeat, because I believe that practice make perfect lah. Am I right? Kamu buat banyak soalan, confirm you will be a master at this topic. Although it's the same type. Don't feel bored if you do same type. Okay, because same type only can help you remember in the exam. Boleh ingat. Alright? Okay, so okay, this one you guys know lah. This one no need to see. Okay, we direct come to another type of question. Okay, usually the admits will come like this. This is an example only. Contoh. Okay, the type of question they like to ask. Okay, so you guys can wait. Let me see over here. Sana guys. Did I make it wrong? Hey, correct. It's correct. Okay, guys. So you can see the question here. They say X is for Rose and Y for Anggerik. And then they say Anggerik not more than, tidak lebih daripada, 2 times the number of rows. Okay, so can you all tell the first inequality? Yang pertama, what do you guys get? So you must know how to identify. Kena tentukan. So anyone? Number one, yang pertama. Come on, try and see. So anyone? Boleh dapat jawapan? You guys get it? Yes. Okay, you should get y less than or equal to 2x. Okay, must have equal to sign kena ada sama dengan. Okay, they say not more than, tidak lebih daripada. Okay, so that's why you will get y less than or equal to 2x. Okay, second one. Your second restriction, what is your equation? Apa ketaksamaan kamu? So they say the anggarik is at least 1/4 of the number of rows. So you try and see. What do you get? Okay, yes. Okay, so y greater than or equal to 1/4x. Betul. Okay, sekurang-kurangnya at least, so you must have equal sign. Kena ada sama dengan. Alright, so you guys will get these two answer lah. So 2 marks, 2 markah. Okay, next one. They give you the inequality for the third one. Okay, usually the question, sometimes they will give you the graph, current trend lah. Okay, they will give you the inequality for the third restriction. I mean the graph and everything lah. And then they ask you to write out the restriction in the form of equation. Okay, kamu kena tulis kekangan dalam bentuk persamaan. Okay, so you guys try and see what is the equation of this line, or direct also inequality. SPM will come out like this lah guys. For linear programming, the standard of the question never change one. Every time usually is easy, selalu senang. Because how to ask hard question from here? The question is very standard one. They cannot change much. Tak boleh ubah banyak. But certain topic like the ones not in section C, they can change a lot. Boleh ubah banyak. But the topics in your paper 2 section C is like the fixed one. They cannot change much. The format is like that already. Like other topics like what? Let me think. Like progression, janjang. They can change many ways, right? The question boleh tukar banyak-banyak cara. So that's why you see the question always change one. It's very, very different. Always. So anyone? What do you get? The inequality for this. Apa ketaksamaan dia? Okay, y less than or equal to x plus 20. Okay. The rest? Lain? What do you all get? So always first step, you guys must count the gradient. Okay, kena cari kecerunan. Okay, so you guys can see 60 and 40, right? So you just put negative 60 over 40. Okay, why negative? Because your line is slanting to the left. Dia condong kiri, so kecerunan is negative. Okay, so you get negative 3 over 2. Okay, and then, so you'll get y is less than or equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 60. Okay, y-intercept is 60 lah. Pintasan y. Okay, are you guys clear? How to get the inequality? Boleh? So this is your answer, guys. Okay, so you will get, okay, where is the answer? Oh, like this. Okay. Oh, they want you to give equation only lah. Okay, so no need to write the inequality. No need. Okay, so you guys leave your answer like this also can. No problem. All right. Are you guys clear? Boleh? So you guys will get this one. Okay? Can Boleh? Okay, next one. So they ask you to shade the region. Okay, kamu kena lorek kawasan R that satisfy all the linear inequality. Okay, you must use the same graph lah guys. All right. So you can see over here how you get the shaded region. Okay, so you guys just follow only lah the symbol and get the shaded region. Okay, ikut saja. All right. And then the question say they want you to find the minimum number of anggarik, means they want you to find the y value lah. cari nilai y if your rows x equal to 30. Okay, so you just need to actually use the graph. Okay, you can use the graph. So you put x equal 30 and then you see what is the y value. Kamu baca nilai y. Okay, so you guys should get 7.5. Okay, 7.5. Okay, you can also substitute in the equation. Okay, but guys, common sense. Can I have 7.5 roses? Yes or no? Boleh tak? Ada 7.5 jambang bunga. Common sense, guys. 7.5. No, right? Not common sense, right? So cannot lah. Tak boleh. Okay, you guys must always have whole number. Nombor bulat. Okay, so you can see the inequality is greater than, right? Lebih besar atau sama dengan half x. Sorry, 1 over 4x. So means that 7.5 you can round off to become 8 lah. Bundakan. Because it's greater than or equal to. Okay? You guys get it? Can? Okay, so next one. They ask you to find the maximum profit. Okay, so you guys see the keyword, right? Maximum. So when you see maximum, of course, you must have the objective function lah, guys. Kena ada fungsi objective. Okay, so can you all tell me what is the objective function over here? Think and see. Try to construct for me fungsi objective based on the statement. They say the profit for one bouquet of rose is 35 and one bouquet of anggerek is 25. So what is the objective function that you get? So anyone? Try and see. Cuba. Senang saja. So anyone? Can you share your answer? Boleh kongsi? What do you guys get? Okay, correct. Okay, you will get k equal to 35x plus 25y. Am I right, guys? Because 35 is for the roses, 25 is for the anggerek. Roses x, anggerek y. So 35x plus 25y. You want to find the total profit, jumlah keuntungan. Okay? So now, guys, you all tell me, what is the k value that you all will use over here? You see the graph, guys. Lihat graph kamu. And you guys tell me, apa nilai K yang kamu guna? Think and see. What is a suitable K value? So anyone? Do you get the answer? Apa jawapan for nilai K? So K, as I told you all, it must be a multiple, right? Kena gandaan 35 and 25. So it must be a multiple of the 35x and also the 25y. So anyone? Can you suggest to me your K value, please? Boleh bagi nilai K? What do you get? Any number also can, as long as it's a multiple. Multiple lah, Putra, gandaan. 35 dan 25. Which one is a multiple? Any number, you think and see. So guys, if you want to find the most simple method, right, to find multiple, right, kalau nak cari kaedah termudah, what you guys can do is, you guys just times both numbers. Putra, gandaan kena lebih besar daripada dua-dua nombor ni. Faham tak? So dia gandaan. Gandaan, okay, I ask you all lah. Multiple of 5. Can you all senaraikan? Apa gandaan 5? It will be 5, 10, 15. You guys see the pattern or not? It's plus 5. Tambah 5 kan? Same concept here. What is the multiple of 35 and 25? So 35, you do 35, 70, and then 105, 140. 40 tak boleh. 40 bagi 35 kamu ada baki. Am I right? 40 got remainder. 40 divide 35 have remainder. 50 divide 35 also have remainder. Tak boleh. Kamu kena pastikan tak ada baki bila bahagi dua-dua nombor. So guys, the most simple way to find multiple is you just times these two number. That's all. Gantikan saja, darabkan saja dua-dua nombor dalam persamaan. So you guys will get 875. So 875 is confirmed a multiple of 25 and also 35. Understand? 875 ni adalah gandaan dua-dua nombor. Senang. Just times these two number. Okay? So then you can find your x and y, right? Boleh cari nilai dia. So you have 875 equal to 35x plus 25y. So you draw the table, lukis jadual. Okay, so you let x equal 0, let y equal 0. Okay, now you press calculator. So 875 over 25. So this one you get 35. This one you will get 25. So boleh cari kan guys? You can find your answers tadi. Okay, so you will get 0, 35 and also 25, 0. So you can draw your objective function. Okay, lukis fungsi dia. Okay, for here they show a very small value lah guys. But it's okay. Your line is still parallel. Masih selari. So you guys will get the objective function like this. Okay? Boleh dapat? And then, if you want to find the maximum value guys, what to do? Kalau nak cari titik keuntungan maximum, you just find the maximum point lah. Okay, so you guys tell me. Only got 2 points guys. Dua saja. Yang ni atau yang ni? Mana maximum? Common sense. Yang ni nombor 1, yang ni nombor 2. Number 1 or 2? Which one is the maximum point? Confirm 1 lah. Because 1 is so high, right? Dia sangat tinggi. So confirm you will give a maximum answer lah. So that's why you just need to substitute x equal 18, y equal 33. Then kamu boleh cari keuntungan maximum. Okay? Are you guys clear? How to solve the maximum question? Boleh faham? So this is the concept guys. Remember the concept. Okay, ingat dia. Alright? Okay, so we see the last example lah guys before we end for today. Okay, kita lihat soalan terakhir. Okay, wait, let me see. Yeah, this one is the last one. The rest of the question, right guys? I will make another video for you guys for the other question on this chapter. Okay? Boleh ya? The rest of the question I won't have a live class but I'll record for you guys. Boleh? Saya akan record untuk soalan-soalan lagi lah berkaitan bab ni. Okay, because after this I want to discuss trial paper with you guys already. Saya nak bincang soalan trial for AdMaths. Okay, so we try to do the trial question. Yes, it'll be until 10 lah. This one is the last question. So it'll just be nice. Okay, the rest is all the revision already. Yang ni semua soalan ulang kaji. Okay, because it's the same type of question. More on the exam format. So I will create a separate video for that lah. Can? Boleh ya? I will create a separate video for that. No worries. But I think you guys already get the concept right for today's lesson. The concept is like this already. Nothing else. The rest is just repetition. Ulangan. Okay? Alright. So you see this question guys. They ask you to state 3 linear inequality. Okay, so first, can you all try and see? This is your first one. Not less than 30, the total area. So what is your answer? Apa jawapan? So you can see they already give you the assumption. Mereka sudah bagi anggapan. X is for the number of table of P and Y is the number of table for Q. So you guys try and see. What do you get? So anyone? Apa? First inequality. X plus Y greater than or equal to 30. Yes, correct. Sat. Bukan. Kamu kena lihat luas guys. You must see the area one. They're comparing the area. It should be X plus 2Y. Okay, greater than or equal to 30. Can you see guys? Luas for P is 1. Luas for Q is 2. So means that you must take X plus 2Y greater than or equal to 30. When the answer for your first inequality is luas, means that your left hand side of the equation also must talk about area lah. Luas kena bandingkan dengan luas. Kiri and kanan. Okay, you must always compare the same quantity guys. If you just say X plus Y, right? You're just comparing the number. So number is not equal to area. Do you understand? So that's why you need to consider these values over here. 1 and also 2. Okay? Alright. So Yeah, that's your first one. And then second, kedua, what do you guys get? They say the total money is 6,000. Okay, 200x plus 100y less than or equal to 6,000. Yes, correct. Okay, so you have 200 for P, 100 for Q. So 200x plus 100y less than or equal to 6,000. Okay, you must know that that is the maximum already lah, guys. Okay, so you see over here, guys, they actually simplify. Mereka permudahkan. So if you guys want to simplify also can. Based on your textbook lah. Okay, tapi kalau tinggal kat sini pun tak ada masalah. No problem. Okay, you can leave your final answer like this for your second one. Okay, so it's just your choice. Pilihan. Okay, alright, third one, what do you guys get? Yang ketiga. So they say the number of table for Q is at most 2 times the number of table for P. So anyone? Yes. Case Y less than or equal to 2x. Okay, so for Q is Y and then X is P. So dua kali, 2 times. So that's why I have number 2 there. Okay, and then at most is less than or equal to. Okay, are you guys clear how to get these 3 inequality? Boleh? Can understand, huh? Okay, so this one you will get 3 marks, 3 markah. Okay, this is like how the SPM will ask you guys for linear programming. Sama saja for SPM. Okay, so next question, they'll always ask you draw graph, lukis. Okay, so you can see guys, they give you the scale, right? Ada skala kan? So ikut, follow the scale. 2 cm to 10 table. Okay, so you have all your inequality, right? So you can actually start to plot the point. Okay, so example, maybe x plus 2y equal to 30. So as I always say, x-intercept, y-intercept. So you draw the table lah. X, y, x equals 0, y equals 0. Okay, you find the value. Cari nilai. So you will get 15 and also 30. So you have 2 coordinate already. Okay, and then the second one, 2x plus y equals 60. Same concept. Okay, so you will have xy. So x0, y0. So y 60 and then x 30. So another 2 points. Okay, last one, y equal to x. Okay, so this one you will have 0, 0, kosong, kosong, and also maybe you just put x 30 lah. Okay, and then y equal to 60. So guys, you will have 6 points to plot. 6 titik in total. Do you guys understand or not? How I get this table? Boleh faham tak guys? So you just see only 2 points for one inequality. 2 titik saja, satu kotak saman. So you can see over here how I plot. So when you draw the graph, you'll get something like this, and then you follow the sign greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, so this one should be greater, so you shade on top, lorek ke atas, the first one, and then the other two you should shade below, lorek bawah. So you see the intersection, guys. Nampak persilangan dia. So you can see that the intersection is all at the region R. Nampak yang merah, hijau dan ungu. Okay, red, green, and purple intersect. For the y equal to x, we can take any point, right? Yes, this one special because you don't have the y-intercept. Am I right? Pintasan y kosong kan kat sini because y equal mx plus c. C is 0. So that's why you see the point is 0, 0. Asalan is your origin. Okay, so then you just use any other point. You can see your scale, right? So your scale, of course, you don't choose x equal 100 lah, guys. Kalau kamu pilih x equal 100, y equal 200. So can you plot these, guys? Boleh tak? Plot titik ni atas graph yang ni. 100, 200. Cannot, right? Tak boleh kan? But it's correct. Betul. But it cannot fit your graph. So you need to choose a point that can fit your graph. Fit the scale. Kena boleh masuk skala lah. Okay? Understand? Boleh dapat, guys? So be logical when you choose the point. Okay? Alright. So next one. So next one, they ask you to find the range of the meja P. So meja P is actually the X. And then they say the Y is 10. Q is 10 mean Y equal 10. So how to do this, guys? Macam mana buat? Okay, so you guys just need to draw a horizontal line at y equals to 10. Okay, they ask range, right? Julat means that you must have two value. So this is your first value. Sorry. Wait, let me draw nicely this line. Okay, so this is your first value and this is your next value. So guys, can you see that this is the range? Ini julat kan? So how you guys write range? You will get 11 less than equal to x less than equal to 25. 25. So this is your answer for range. Okay, they get 10 lah guys. 10. Okay, it's no problem because everyone's graph will be different. Setiap orang punya graph berbeza. So you just see the value here lah guys. I never draw so accurate. You must use ruler guys when you draw. Actually it should be 10 lah. 10. Can you guys see? So it's actually 10 until 25. Yeah, it should be 10. Okay, usually you can get the same answer lah. If they ask this kind of question, boleh dapat jawapan sama. As long your graph is accurate. Okay, understand guys? So this is your minimum and this the maximum. Remember guys, when you guys answer this kind of question, the point that you choose must be in the shaded region. Kena dalam kawasan berlorek. So you cannot say that I want to take this point as my minimum for X. Salah. It's wrong. Okay, understand? So you must take the minimum in the shaded region. Okay? Always our focus in this chapter is the shaded region. Kawasan berlorek. Okay? Alright, the last one. Okay, so you see guys, see the keyword maximum. So maximum means objective function. Okay, so try. Last time, you guys can try for objective function. So try. Cuba. Bentukan fungsi objektif for this one. Very simple. So anyone? Objective function? What do you guys get? Dapat apa? Anyone? Cuba bentukan fungsi objektif. K equal for X plus Y. Okay, the rest? Yang lain? Apa fungsi objektif for this question? Now we're doing part 2 guys. Bahagian 2. So they say one P table can hold 4 people and one Q table can hold 8 people. Okay, and then your P is X and then your Q is Y. So you try to form the objective function. So now you want to find the maximum number of people. Jumlah maximum orang. So anyone else want to try objective function? Dapat apa for this question? Come on. Don't be afraid to try guys. If admits you don't try, you cannot do one guys. Don't be afraid to get wrong. Salah tak apa. Okay, you guys learn. Boleh belajar saja. Okay, wrong doesn't matter. As long you guys try. Anyone else? Come on. Cuba. Okay, Putra say K equal X plus Y. Okay, some more? Lagi orang? Okay, so K equal 8y plus 4x. Okay? Yes. Okay, the answer you should get is K equal to 4x plus 8y. Okay, guys? Boleh faham? Because they say one table, 4 people for P. So now if you have X table for P, so 4X lah, the number of people. And then one table Q, 8. So then if you have Y table Q, 8Y. Okay? Understand guys? So K equal to 4X plus 8Y. Yang ni jangan permudahkan guys. Don't simplify. Try to maintain. No need to simplify one. This one. You must understand if you say K equal X plus 2Y is wrong salah. Because you divide 4 means that K also kena bagi 4. Faham tak? So K over 4 is actually X plus 2Y. But do we want to find K over 4 guys? Adakah kita nak cari nilai ni? Bukan, right? Kita nak cari nilai K saja kan? Only K value. So you can only give this answer. Satu jawapan saja. Faham tak? You guys understand? So for objective function, don't simplify. Fungsi objektif jangan permudahkan jawapan. Ikut soalan. Alright? Okay guys? So you can now, okay. So what is the K value? You all will choose here. apa nilai K. You guys use the concept like just now. Okay, 16 can? Boleh? Okay, so you guys can see your graph lah. Okay, yes, 16 boleh. Okay, so you can say 16 equal to 4x plus 8y. And then same step, let x equal 0, let y equal 0. Yes, K sama dengan 32 pun boleh. Okay, so when x equals 0, y is equal to 2, y equals 0, x equal 4. So you plot lah 0, 2 and 4, 0. Okay, so you can see over here. Yang ni mereka guna titik lain lah guys, but it's the same line. The gradient of the line still the same. Kecaunan masih sama. Okay, so when you guys see over here, which one is your maximum guys? May I know? Mana titik maximum? This one 1, this one 2, this one 3. Common sense guys. Mana akan bagi nilai maximum? 3 lah. Am I right? Because 3 is the highest. Paling tinggi. Yes. Very good. You guys understand, right? Very good lah you guys. Smart. Kamu semua pandai. Okay, so you just need to substitute 15, 30. Okay, the coordinate is 15, 30. So x equal 15, y equal 30. So you just sub lah. So you will get like this. So your final answer is actually 300. Okay? Do you guys get it? Boleh guys? Are you clearer now on this linear programming? Jelas bab ni? So the chapter memang is all this kind of question only. Nothing else. Tak ada benda lain bab ni. It's always like this only. Just different scenario only. Scenario soalan saja ubah. But the concept sama saja. Just maintain your concept. Alright? No matter how the question asks. Okay guys? Are you all clear with the lesson?